guys, welcome to the review of the limited edition Love Food the Cinnamon Roll Chunky Chips. This will be my first time ever eating these. It comes in a 1 kg packet. They are vegan, exclusive to Iceland, limited edition. And it says cook based on half a bag for conventional electric ovens, time and temperature. Preheat the oven and a non-stick baking tray. Arrange the required number of chips in a single layer and add your cooking spray, and you need to cook them for 25 minutes. Just tells you a bit more about cinnamon roll there, and if you actually want to make, would you love to have a go at making these chips at home? Everybody makes them chips differently. I'll probably make my chips differently, etc. But I will be back when I've got them in the tray and I'm putting them in the oven. So I'll see you soon, guys. Bye. I am right back. Right, guys, I am back. And once you've laid them all out, it says to add obviously your fry light or your whatever one, you low calorie thingy, what you want to use, but that is what they look like. So all you need to do, spray around. The sunflower oil fry light I actually don't like. Makes your stuff taste horrible, so I'd rather use the butter one or use the coconut one. But it's each to their own. So yeah, guys, it says to put these on 210 Celsius. So that is what I have done, and it says to put them on for 20 to 25 minutes. So that is what I am going to do. Put them in the oven. They are going in, and I will see you when they're all done and I am taste testing them, and I'll see you in a bit, guys. Bye. Hello, guys, so I am back. These chips have been on for 25 minutes, and if you do like crispy chips, I do recommend leaving them on for longer. I mean, sound like a chip, do you know what I mean? And I'm gonna have a taste test, so I will be back with you in guys, sorry you haven't seen my face up video. I have got a cold, so I didn't really want to show my face, but here it goes. The chips going in. They are actually really like nice, not really nice, but nice for like cinnamon roll chips. So I am going to put just a blob of ketchup, see what they taste like with a bit of ketchup. So it's going in with the dip, and it's got ketchup on it. Oh yeah, I do recommend them as well. with tomato ketchup. Well, yeah, guys. All I can say is decent chips, and I give them 5 out of 5 for them chips. So yeah, guys, I will see you in another video. As per usual, face be down here, video be down there. And if you could just kindly subscribe, like and comment, that would be really nice. So I will see you guys in another video. Bye!